Good morning, student. We have moved to last article in this chapter, third chapter, two valence electron system. The last article is spectra of helium. We have already find the structure of helium. This is the spectra of helium. Helium has two electrons because of Z is equal to 2. In this orbit, only two electrons are present, both of which according to Pauli's principle. Pauli's principle we have already seen in last lecture. Can occupy the first K shell because of in K shell only two electrons were distributed and their configuration is 1s 2. Okay, this is the electronic configuration of K shell. Two electrons complete the first period of the periodic system. Period of system. This is this 1s 2. The normal helium atom is therefore represented by the electronic configuration 1s2, that is 2 electrons for which n is equal to 1 and l is equal to 0. N means principal quantum number and l means orbital quantum number. N is equal to 1, this is for K shell, and l is equal to 0 for 0 orbital quantum number. The total number being affixed top of S, this number. A single electron is responsible for energy level of both hydrogen and sodium. But in this case, single electron are not present. First shell will be occupied in two electron. We have already seen in Pauli's exclusion, this is K shell. How many electrons will be occupied? This is first and this is second. Okay. This is the next shell. This shell will be occupied two electron, not single electron were present in helium atom. There are two 1s electron in the ground state of helium and occupying or coupling affect the properties and behavior of the helium atom. The next one, helium atom contains two valence electrons. This electron, two valence electrons. Therefore, its emission spectrum of the same type are given by alkaline earths. The spectrum of helium shows two systems. One is singlet system. There are two systems. First one is singlet system. In this system, sharp series, principal, diffuse and fundamental series are present in singlet. Then second one is the second one is triplet system. In these systems also contains all these four series. Which one? Sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. Also present in triplet series. The singlet system belongs to parahelium, means spin antiparallel. Singlet system belongs to parahelium, means in spin antiparallel. Because of S is equal to 0. Why? This is the singlet system. Okay. The triplet system belongs to orthohelium. Spin parallel. Singlet goes to parahelium and triplet goes to orthohelium. Spin parallel and anti-parallel. Because of S is equal to 1. Because of this system goes to triplet system. The singlet terms arises when one electron remains in 1s level, in sublevel, and second electron is excited to higher level with spin anti-parallel to first electron. Okay, the various level represents configuration in which one electron is in its ground state and other electron is in excited state because of s is equal to 0 and s is equal to 1. This is ground state and this is upper state, okay, or excited state. There is a division into singlet and triplet state, that is parahelium and orthohelium, as shown in following figure. This figure will shows the spectra of orthohelium and parahelium. This is the transition between orthohelium and parahelium. This is 1s, 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 2s, 1s, 2p, 1s, 3s, 1s, 3p, 1s, 3d arises in SPDF level. This is the 1s 0 level term. This is parahelium. This is 1s0, 1p1, 1s0, 1p1 and 1d2, 1d2. This is the transition, allowed transition in parahelium. These are the transition of parahelium. This is parahelium. Then orthohelium. This is singlet. That's why the transition allowed to ground state. But orthohelium ground state does not present. Okay. This is the diagram of orthohelium. These are the levels. This is orthohelium. Same transaction. Okay. This is 3s1 because of this is the triplet system. 3p2, 3p1 and 3p0. This is 3s1, 3p0, 1, 2. These are transition. Then 3d1. Okay. The transition allowed between in these two, 3p0 to 3s1. The next is 3s1 to 3p0 and 3p2. The next one is 3d1 to 3p1, sorry 0, and next one is this is 0 and this is 1. These are the transition allowed in orthohelium. Okay. The various levels represents configuration. These are the configuration. These levels are the configuration. Okay. An orthohelium atom can lose excitation energy in a collision and become one parahelium, while parahelium atom can gain excitation energy. Orthohelium lose the energy and orthohelium lose energy and parahelium gain the energy in a collision and become one of orthohelium ordinary liquid or gaseous helium is therefore a mixture of both. The lowest singlet state 1s, this state 1s or term is 1s0. The lowest triplet states are metastable. These are the metastable state. Okay. Orthohelium does not exist in the state defined by the principal quantum number En is equal to 1, because this goes to in triplet system. The value of triplet system is N is equal to 1 and term is 1 3 S 1. This is due to Pauli's principle, since two electrons would have parallel spin and therefore identical set of quantum numbers. The lowest state of orthohelium is 2 3 S1. This is the lowest state of orthohelium. The state 3 2 S1 3 2 S1 represents metastable state. Okay, the 2 1 S0 state also metastable state, because the selection rule delta L is equal to plus or minus 1. Any transition for this state to 1 1s0 state. This is the transition. The diagram shows that there is anomalous energy shift from normal 1s2 to 1s0. 1s2 to 1s0 state to the first excited state 1s 2s 1s0 and 3s1. It is the characteristics of helium and all inert gases. Helium and all inert gases. The transition is 1s 2s 1s 2s 1s0 and 3s1. It is the characteristics of helium of all inert gases. The fine structure of the very narrow orthohelium series triplets was predicted by Slater and verified by Heisenberg. These two scientists were Slater was predicted this transition and Heisenberg was verified this transition is allowed or not. Okay, the Heisenberg has shown that the anomalous energy difference between first two or three triplet levels and their associated singlet levels is due to electrostatic response interaction. Electrostatic resonance interaction. The normal state of helium, for example, 24.470 volts below the series limit, a value differing only 0.003 volt from the spectroscopic value is 24.467 volt. The difference between electrostatic resonance and spectroscopic values are actually spectroscopic value is 24.467, but electrostatic resonance interaction value is 24.470. The difference between in these two lines 0.033 volt.